So I have a Amana dryer bought for $15. Now all the components back here I've checked. Cycling thermostat's working. The thermal fuse is working. Working thermostat's working. Element's good. Thermal fuse is good. So, and it wasn't heating. So what I did is I changed the timer. The timer's not heating. That's a good timer. I just had it rebuilt. So if you've changed all these components, or you've checked all these components and they're all good, and your timer's good, and it's still not heating, the most logical reason it's not heating now would be the motor switch. And the motor switch is there because you want to make sure the blower is working when the element comes on. So what happens is when the motor spins up, it throws a centrifugal switch to throw power to the element circuit, and we're not getting that. So I'm thinking it's going to be the motor switch, and I'll show you how to change one. It is not a very common breakdown on one of these. It's usually something else. Motor switch is usually always the last thing that happens. Let me unplug this for safety. So we want to pick the top up, unplug the lid switch, take these two screws out in each corner, you want to undo that. Yeah, I got some of my money back right there. 16 cents. Pine cone squirrels chewed on. Set this aside. So we have a bend in the case right here. Okay. Push it out while we're here. We'll fix that. So the motor switch is right here. Of course, one of the connectors is going to be below this, so we're going to have to pop these keepers off. Where's my screwdriver? Right there. We'll just pop this keeper off. You just put a screwdriver down in here, push it down, and let go. You can do that for the front and the back. Sometimes you need a longer screwdriver. Now you should be able to rotate that motor upward. And here is our motor switch. Take this one loose, this one, and this one. And you want to be careful when you're doing this because you don't want to break these wires here. And the good thing to do would be to take a picture. So this wire fits on this, and this wire is right next to this. Reattach it, so just like that. Now hook in like so. Make sure I got a motor switch. Pretty sure I do. Yeah, there's one. It's going to be this one. Maybe smaller. That's smaller. Oh. It's just regular old Phillips head. If you have old motors that the motor may have burned out, just take this switch off of it so you'll have some in stock. Over the top like that, and bring this one right there, and this one right there, and rotate the motor back into position, down. Yeah, I'll need my large screwdriver again. Perfect. And Perfect. Now, let's put this back together. I'll put some of these tools up. That's good. Get some out of the truck. Now putting the belt through the yoke of the idler pulley and over the motor pulley. Perfect. Perfect. All right. There's a quarter. So let's see what that'll do for us. Heat. Let's put this in.